Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'd like to show you how to calibrate your spliced machine. Here you can see I've got a piece of cable that I've already cleaned and placed into the clamp. So let's go ahead and calibrate our machine so we can work. Boot up your machine. Please note, you can see that the piece of cable extends far out. I have not cleaved it. It must extend past the electrode. So you can see as I place it in, it will extend all the way across. Go to menu, go down to calibrate and press the select button. There we go. The fiber has been calibrated into the machine. Please do this at least once a day before you do all of your work, and you shouldn't have any problems. If you have any questions or comments, or you need some help with your machine, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.